Ba't nagiging pusit? Uy! Uy!
Nako. Ate.
Nako.
Ate.
Sino yan? Wow! Wow!
Frankie's back! Arinoli! Si Arinoli!
Fresh ang hair!
Frankie Arinoli!
Upo ka dito, Aya.
Mamaya na pakiramdam ni Yaya.
Thank you.
Alalayan nyo.
Nahilo si Haya.
Yes, I'm back. I'm back.
Thanks,
Hi,
Frankie.
Lola.
Oh, Frankie!
Hi, Lolas. Hi, Lolas. Hi. No more trauma.
Stop staying
No
here.
more trauma. No more trauma. My pimple is gone. All the hole is gone, okay?
It's closed.
Frank is here. I have a little pasalubong for you.
Wow!
Yeah.
Ate, may pasalubong si Frankie.
Galing
Yeah.
saan?
Ay,
Of course,
galing
from
sa Italy,
Italy.
di ba?
Anak ko,
Yeah.
mahal yan.
Ano yung pasalubong? What's the pasalubong?
Chicharoni. Chicharito, chicharon. Chicharon for
From
you.
Italy?
From Italy.
Yeah, from Italy.
Akala ko mga Murano.
Italian chicharon,
Yeah,
huh?
the Italian chicharon. And this one is a dragon crackers, right?
What?
A dragon
fish,
cracker.
huh?
No fish cracker.
No fish
Dragon crackers was it?
Oh.
For you
Italy, ah.
Thank you.
and this someone to
From Italy to?
yeah from Italy. Medyo okay na mo siya pala pila.
Nagbas ka lang ba? Bumabiyahe na pala pinirapit ko?
I ride my new car and this is for you.
Wow.
Galing pa sa bus.
What's that?
It's a corny.
Corny?
Yeah.
Italian also?
Yes, from Italy.
Wow.
Corny Cova. Look at my dress. Like it?
So, what's up? Well, how's your trip?
How are you?
Very good trip. It's so cold in Italy. That's why I go back here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
What's your OOTD for today?
Look at this.
I see. What's that?
Kenzo.
I buy it for the national hero,
Who's national hero?
Manuel L.
Kenzo.
Quezon yun!
Quezon yun.
Sorry.
Quezon yun!
And this one, you like it?
How about a jacket?
Yeah, the diesel jacket.
Diesel.
Yeah,
Diesel?
you love it? Yes.
Unleaded.
Bastos.
Meron pala diesel na unleaded.
I use this jacket when I'm racing car, you know, that's something like
Okay.
How about the pants? The pants.
Oh, the
Pants.
pants.
Nice
When I
pants.
use the car and then I make park, it's Prada.
Parada yun!
What?
Parada.
It's other.
How about
The belt.
Oh, the belt.
Yeah.
Love it.
Oh, love it.
LV. Lumang belt.
Oh, lumang belt. Thank you. I miss you, guy.
Yeah.
So mo kaya mo na kan magtong may Italiana ba tong siko lapit at pajap ka dapat.
Yeah.
Besides, I miss my puto bongbong. Where's the puto bongbong? I love puto bongbong. And also, I want to spend my Christmas here.
Ay, how's your Lola, si Lola Franing?
Lola Praning is... Oh, I want to tell everybody, Lola Praning is good.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he died. You're right.
He died?
Just for a while.
Na-revive.
Alive again, ha? Alive
Yeah,
again.
just for a while. Hindi siya alive again. He's very weak.
What happened?
Week, man, because I'm here, and next week, he go here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, have sipon.
Quick story, ha?
Yeah, thank you. Don't worry, Lila. I have, I move on. Yeah, don't worry. I move on already. Why are you so sad?
I'm so, Frankie, I'm really
What?
very sorry. I still, I feel guilty of what happened.
Guilty?
Yeah, I'm still
Oh,
guilty.
come on. You're in the court? You're guilty?
No, of what happened, what I did to you.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I move on, Lola. Don't worry. I realize. You know, hi, Alden. You guys, you look like me, right? I'm okay, guy. I'm good. And you're good. I wish you all the luck, okay?
How's your love life?
Oh, my love
Frankie,
life.
yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, the same. No love life at all. I don't want to in love again. Ayoko muna ma-in-love.
No, Frankie, what
Ayaw ba
happened?
ibig sabihin nun?
I'm free. I'm free. No paid.
You're
I'm
happy.
free. I'm happy.
At least you're happy.
I'm single. You still happy? With Alden?
Oo naman.
How are you? You good?
Okay ako. Okay naman ako.
So how's life?
Okay lang. Okay lang lahat.
No, come
Okay lang
on.
lahat.
Come on,
wala
say
akong
it.
problema.
How's Alden?
Wala akong problema.
Alden carrying you good?
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Yung inalagaan siya. Bakit?
Ah, okay. Carry.
Naalagaan kang mabuti.
So how's Alden? Good?
Okay po kami.
Tell me if Alden... You're in love.
When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean?
Di pa ba tayo tapos dyan?
Want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean?
Thank you.
What's that?
What's that? It's a right thing.
Oh, that.
That's my dance move in Europe. That's a new thing in Europe.
Oh, that's the uso in
The
Europe,
uso. You
huh?
move like that, and one, and a two, and a one, two, turn around and stop it.
Oh, that's just the in thing.
That is so good. Oh, Frankie, why don't you join us for Sugod Bahay? You know, they missed you giving away lots of prizes.
Oh, Sugod Bahay.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially
I'm good,
with the
I'm
leather
good.
jacket.
What?
Oh, with the leather jacket.
Yeah.
I miss that. I miss that
And the
thing.
new hair.
Come
You miss
on.
your hair?
Yeah, I miss. Look at my hair.
I like your hair.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's new
Fresh.
cut. It's new cut. It's pressed, huh?
I like the color.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pressed. It's perspiring already.
Yeah.
What about you?
How about your heart?
It's fall in love again, and
How are
it's
you?
already fall in love again.
Oh, your heart is ready to fall in love.
Always ready.
That's nice to hear from
Kasi
you.
nga,
Everyone,
nakapag-move
you
on
want
na.
to fall in love with me? Come on, guys. Don't be shy.
That's good kasi you
Alden.
moved on already.
Alden, may gusto nga pala akong sabihin sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Pwede bang maghintay muna yan na yung sasabihin mo?
Baka mabilis lang naman po, Lolo.
Oo nga po. Mabilis na.
Mabilis lang din naman to. Babalik din kami agad. Magsusugod bahay muna kami. Pwede ba?
Mamaya na lang.
Sige po.
Why don't you tell Alden now?
No, mamaya
Come on,
na.
tell it.
Then, sabihin nyo na, mamaya na ako tatawag.
Oh, yan.
Bilis ka usap.
Wag.
Ano?
Pwede, sa lahat
Ha?
ng ayaw ni Bossing yung ano.
Sabihin nyo lang.
Oh, sige, i-hold nyo muna.
Oh, later na lang mga ihomi, ha?
I
Yeah,
miss
did you miss sis?
Yeah, I miss the Manila.
Yeah.
Oh, Frankie, thank you for the pasalubong.
Thank you. Don't worry. Thank you,
Hey,
Alan.
how about us?
You have also.
What's there pa sa lubong? Pugo.
No, Pugo.
Hello?
Hello po.
Ikaw ba si Mary Ann?
Opo.
Mary Ann Martesano?
Opo.
Sino?
Ten! Ba't kaya yung bahay ko, Ten? Ten, bahay!
Ah, hindi. Wala.
Dalim!
Uy!
Number 87, Dahlia Street.
87 Dahlia Street.
Si Mary Ann Martesano.
Naku, Webesano na ngayon.
Oh, sayang naman. Mary Ann Martesano. Halika, Frankie.
Merkules po na.
Mercolesano.
Oh, yeah. You stay there, ha? And,
Lola, samahan niyo po muna ako dito.
oh.
Sige. Rogelio.
We go Sugod.
Yeah, we go
Samahan
Sugod.
niyo
The
si
two of
Tidora.
us.
He not go there.
Na-miss ka nila, Frankie.
They missed you.
Oo, especially your costume.
But he's coming to town.
Oh!
Oh, look at that.
Ayan na yun.
It's a bouncing baby girl, ate.
Oh, ano pala siya?
Sige po. Patayin niyo na po yung ano.
Ito, papatayin ko na to.
Yan, yung katabi
Sino?
mo.
Oh, hindi, itong telepono.
Hindi, yung telepono.
Phone po. Supply,
The phone.
supply pag may time.
Yan, bossing, you
Yeah.
talk. You talk.
Hi.
Hello po.
Hello, Martesano.
Opo.
Kumusta ka, Mary Ann?
Mabuti po.
Saan ang bahay mo?
Nandoon po.
Ha? Tumakbo ka? Ano?
Pahingin po muna ng tubig.
Tubig.
Tumakbo eh.
Water, please.
Water, please. Pahingin tubig. Ayan.
Fire department.
Mary Ann? May asawa?
Opo.
Ilan ang anak nyo?
Dalawa po.
Ilan taon na?
41 po.
Hindi, si Mister?
Mister. Huwag sagot ng sagot, ha?
Hintayin matapos.
Hindi, mga anak nyo.